Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into Tutorial Coin, or TUT, a project that started as an educational token on the Binance Smart Chain and has now evolved into a real tradable cryptocurrency with a growing community. What makes TUT interesting is that it began as a way to teach people how to create, deploy, and manage tokens on BSC, and over time it gained enough traction that it became its own project with real utility and liquidity. Right now, TUT is trading around $0 and 13 cents, showing a slight upward movement over the past 24 hours. The trading volume has surged recently, hitting more than $90 million, which shows there's renewed market interest and active buying. Even though its market cap sits around $107 million, the activity on exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and PancakeSwap indicates that people are not just holding it as a novelty, they're actively trading and exploring its ecosystem. The token has a maximum supply of 1 billion TUT, with roughly 837 million in circulation, meaning there's still some room for scarcity to influence price action. Investors and traders are watching how its ecosystem develops, especially as the team continues to highlight its educational and community-driven origins. This mix of real utility, combined with its origins as a tutorial project, gives it a unique position compared to other meme or educational coins. Market sentiment is currently positive, partly fueled by TUT's accessibility on multiple exchanges and its low barrier to entry for new users. Some analysts suggest that TUT could see a price rise up to 12 to 65 cents in the coming months if adoption and trading volume continue. But of course, this is highly speculative and depends on market conditions. What's important is that TUT isn't just a hype token. Its foundation in education and learning about crypto development adds a layer of credibility that many other coins lack. At the same time, TUT faces the same risks as most altcoins. Volatility is high, regulatory shifts could impact exchanges or trading pairs, and price movements depend heavily on community interest. That said, the combination of trading activity, educational appeal, and growing awareness makes TUT a coin worth watching for anyone interested in how small, community-driven projects can evolve into active tradable assets. In short, Tutorial Coin has grown from a simple BSC teaching tool into a market-active token with strong community engagement. Its current price, trading volume, and ecosystem updates suggest there's momentum building. But as always with crypto, the key is watching adoption, liquidity, and whether the token continues to attract interest beyond early speculators.